नमस्कार, मैं डॉक्टर रेनू जैन इंस्टीट्यूट फॉर एक्सीलेंस इन हायर एजुकेशन भोपाल से आपका ज्ञान मेघ इनिशिएटिव जो कि टीचिंग लर्निंग को एम्पावर करने के लिए बनाया गया है, आप सभी का स्वागत करती हूँ। आज के इस मॉड्यूल में हम फैशन टर्मिनोलॉजीज़ के बारे में जानेंगे। फैशन टर्मिनोलॉजीज़ वो टर्मिनोलॉजीज़ हैं जो कि फ़ैशन इंडस्ट्रीज़ में बहुत उपयोगी हैं और यह टॉपिक फैशन डिज़ाइन के सेम 1 के मेजर सब्जेक्ट में सम्मिलित है। इस कोर्स में आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं लर्निंग आउटकम्स, इंट्रोडक्शन, फैशन के मीनिंग और डेफिनेशंस, फैशन की कौन कौन सी टर्मिनोलॉजीज़ होती हैं, समरी, लिंक्स फॉर फर्दर रीडिंग्स आपको इसमें मिल जाएंगे और रेफरेंसेस। इस कोर्स को कंप्लीट करने के बाद आप फैशन टर्मिनोलॉजीज़ को डिफ़ाइन करने में सक्षम हो जाएंगे, साथ ही जो डिफरेंट टर्म्स हैं उनको अच्छे से समझ पाएंगे और इनका उपयोग फैशन इंडस्ट्रीज़ में कर पाएंगे। फैशन एक सामाजिक महत्व है और मानव जीवन में इसका बहुत उपयोग है। द सेल्फ एक्सप्रेशन इन फैशन इज़ अलाउइंग पीपल टू ट्राई आउट मैनी रोल्स इन लाइफ. This is the way to find diversity in the world amid a celebration. The changes associated with fashion are must to keep life interesting. This is a unique way to measure a mood that could be useful on many levels like cultural, social and even psychological. तो इस तरह से हम देखते हैं कि फ़ैशन का हमारे जीवन में अत्यंत महत्व है। ये हमारे सभी पहलुओं जैसे कि हमारे सांस्कृतिक पहलू, सामाजिक पहलू और इवन मनोवैज्ञानिक पहलुओं को भी बहुत प्रभावित करता है। इंटरनेशनल फैशन एडिटर सिंथिया ड्यूराकेन ने एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर दिया कि व्हाट इज़ फैशन? फैशन इज़ अ स्टेट ऑफ माइंड, अ स्पिरिट, एन एक्सटेंशन ऑफ वन सेल्फ। मोस्ट ऑफ ऑल फैशन इज़ अबाउट बीइंग कंफर्टेबल विद योर सेल्फ, ट्रांसलेटिंग सेल्फ एस्टीम इनटू ए पर्सनल स्टाइल। इसी तरह से अकॉर्डिंग टू ऑक्सफोर्ड इंग्लिश डिक्शनरी इन 2009 उन्होंने बोला कि फैशन इज़ पॉपुलर स्टाइल ऑफ क्लोथ्स, हेयर एक्सेट्रा एट अ पर्टिकुलर टाइम एंड प्लेस. Essentially it means a style that is up to date. It influences what people wear and how they look. Changes that take place in the fashion industries is followed by people everywhere on all the levels of the society. इसी तरह से वेबस्टर्स ने क्या डिफ़ाइन किया है फैशन को? उसने बोला है कि फैशन इज़ अ प्रिवेलिंग कस्टम्स, यूजेस और स्टाइल. Fashion here means the style or any styles of clothing and accessories prevailing at the particular time. यानी कि फैशन वो है या वो स्टाइल है जो कि किसी विशेष समय पर और विशेष स्थान पर बहुत पॉपुलर है या लोकप्रिय है. आइए देखते हैं कि फ़ैशन के अतिरिक्त फ़ैशन की विभिन्न टर्मिनोलॉजीज़ यानी कि शब्दावलियाँ कौन कौन सी हैं. सबसे पहले है फैड. फैड क्या होता है? फैड एक छोटे समय में रहने वाला फैशन है या कह सकते हैं कि कम समय में जो प्रिविलेंट है वो फैशन फैड कहलाता है. शॉर्ट लिव्ड फैड यूजुअली लास्टिंग अ फ्यू डेज or at the most a few months. They are usually exaggerated fads in design. Second है classic fashion or classics. This refers to the long-lived fashion. Classic apparels never go out of fashion, but styles are adopted as before with minimum alterations. It will be made of high-quality fabrics and will be decorated with high quality craftsmanship. They can be worn through many seasons to look like modern fashion. थर्ड टर्म है हमारी हॉट कॉट्योर फैशन वियर. It refers to the luxury end of the market where fashion designers create clothes for the individual client, exclusive, handmade fashion designs that only the rich can afford. They are measured and personalized. These exclusive, extravagant, and very expensive clothes made according to the size and specifications of the individual are called हॉट कॉट्योर फैशन. यानी कि हॉट कॉट्योर फैशन ऐसे होते हैं जो एक्सक्लूसिव होते हैं, हाई एंड फैशन कह सकते हैं, या बहुत महंगे फैशन होते हैं जो कि किसी व्यक्ति विशेष के लिए डिज़ाइन किए जाते हैं और बहुत ही उसमें कारीगरी या क्राफ्ट्समैनशिप होती है. उसमें जो फैब्रिक यूज़ किया होता है वो भी महंगा वाला होता है, ओरिजिनल होता है और अच्छी क्वालिटी का होता है. फोर्थ टर्म है प्रेट-ए-पॉटर. प्रेट-ए-पॉटर क्वाइट लिटरली मीन्स रेडी टू वियर. प्रेट-ए-पॉटर is a high quality factory made fashion. While pret-a-porter is not necessarily mass produced, it is available to a wide variety of customers. These collections are made for many customers in different sizes. These pieces are not meant to fit perfectly or require a tailor. They simply fit most people well. The next terminology are knockoffs. These are the copies of the clothing that are sold at low prices. Replicas of haute couture garments are called knockoffs, which are produced in large quantities from low cost materials. It looks real, but the prices is kept down. Next is atelier. Atelier means workshop or studio in French. When it comes to clothing, shoes, jewelry, and accessories, it refers to the studios and workshops where designers create and manufacture their products. While the term may have been used primarily in relation to artists, it is also clearly recognized as a term in the apparel industry. Avant-garde. Avant-garde refers to the people and the works that are artistically, culturally, or socially experimental, radical, or unconventional. In fashion, the boldest and most unconventional designs are called avant-garde. They are unique and daring designs. From French, avant-garde or vanguard or literally foreguard. The next is boutique. What is boutique? Boutique is a small shop at a local market or near homes that sells designer clothing and other related accessories including footwears, handbags, hats, jewelry, etc. The store is small and only sells fashion items for women. Such as shops are technically called boutiques. They deal in both services and products. Next is the next term is bespoke tailoring. Bespoke tailoring means that a piece of outfit is created for an individual and is usually associated with jackets, suits, tuxedos, and so on. It requires the highest level of skill as well as material quality, both of which come at a cost. Bespoke tailoring also requires a lot of time. Then what are the fashion accessories, or what is fashion accessory? A fashion accessory is an item that is used to contribute to the wearer's outfit in a secondary way and is often used to complete an outfit. It is not a garment. So accessories are important details to complete each look. Fashion accessories are important to fashion design in terms of creating a complete look and presenting a fashion statement. Some examples are watches, glasses, jewelry, ties, shoes, bags, etc. Next is toile. So toile is a French word meaning a prototype or fitted version of a garment made from cheap fabric so that the design can be tested and perfected. The name comes from the fabric of the same name that was originally used in their manufacture. A translucent linen or cotton fabric is used for toile making. Other terms related to fashion industries are design. According to Sue Jenkins Jones, a professional consultant to the fashion industry in the United Kingdom, The term designs refers to the invention of something with a purpose. Designs are created with different goals, such as designing for a specific person, for a specific function, or an event or a market. Good design should be functional and have some aesthetic value too. Next is taste. So, in fashion, taste refers to one's opinion what is and is not attractive or suitable for an occasion. Then, silhouette. The silhouette is the overall outline, shape, or form of the garment. Studies have shown that there are only three basic shapes: straight or tubular, bell shaped or vase, and bouffant, that is fullness at the back. Next is what is style. A style or a method of presentation is a distinctive feature in a particular field. For example, writing. Writing has its own style. A person has his own style of speaking. In fashion, style is the characteristics or distinctive appearance of a dress or a garment. So, we can say that the fashion is a prevailing style accepted by a group of people at a particular time and place. In fashion industry, various terminologies are used. It is important to know, understand, and apply various popular terms used in fashion business, fashion production, and fashion designing. So, these are the links for the further reading, and these are some references for the books, so you can read it from your library or any other resources. So let's see what we have learned up till now. So first question is, prevailing style accepted by a group of people at a particular time and place is called fashion. Distinctive appearance of garment is design, style, taste, or trend. The answer is style. So match the following. So match the following fashion terminologies with their details. So atelier, haute couture, avant-garde, pret-a-porter. So correct answer is atelier is workshop or a studio. As we know, haute couture is extreme luxury fashion, avant-garde is unconventional design, and pret-a-porter is ready-to-wear designs. Thank you very much.